Did you know that grassroots entrepreneurs in Nepal find it harder to borrow affordable loans than in many other countries? But why is it so? Many microfinance companies go through a manual and lengthy process to track if loans are used for the intended purposes. Are farmers buying agriculture inputs with their business loans or personal items? Figuring out whether their borrowers are trustworthy requires frequent in-person monitoring, which drastically increases operations costs. So, they have to increase the loan interest rates, which makes their products less attractive to potential micro-entrepreneur clients. In a vicious cycle, small businesses find it hard to expand because of high interest rates. Low revenue decreases the probability of repayment. This situation hampers both sides. Also, mobility for using financial services is challenging in rural areas, both for the borrowers to reach microfinances and for field officers moving cash without protection. Therefore, for the first time in Nepal, Alloy Technologies introduces digital token loan services to solve these problems. We provide microfinance institutions with a software that keeps operation costs low by digitally circulating payments between each stakeholder in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Micro-entrepreneur approaches microfinance. Step 2. Microfinance gives loans in digital tokens through SMS. No smartphones are needed. Step 3. Borrower spends this at pre-vetted vendors to buy goods and services. Step 4. Vendors redeem cash payments from microfinance. Step 5. Borrower grows business and repays loans. Since the whole process operates with digital footprints, lenders will have a real-time audit for tracking their funds. They will see where their money is going and what kind of impact it is creating in the community. This increases the credibility of borrowers for increasing future loans. Also, vendors get more customers with assured payment abilities. With this, Alloy builds a trustworthy digital environment to support all sides. Breaking down walls between investors, borrowers, and vendors, we help increase financial discipline. Now more than ever, microfinances can reduce their operation cost by 50% and grow with their customers. With Alloy Technologies, get real-time loan insights, reduce your field work, and be a leader in moving into the branchless and cashless banking era. We have started our pilot program with 2 products. Our agriculture pilot Regrow started in a rural village of Kispang municipality in collaboration with Mahila Sahayatra Laghu Vitta Microfinance. And Green Energy Mobility is our other pilot focusing on Safa Tempo electric vehicle drivers and building a credible digital footprint for them. We look forward to partnering with you. Connect with us.